the YouTube channel. Today is the 29th of October. We are discussing events that occurred on the 28th of October 2022, which was a Friday, day 59. So I started the day with exercise, 45 minutes of exercise and a 4-minute jog. That included a 4-minute jog. The girls did not go to school because they had been out for a Universal Halloween event. So they went to bed really late so they didn't go to school yesterday. They've been pretty good, so that slide. But I had a training call with the insurance business gearing up for the Affordable Care Act open season, which takes place on the 1st of November. And then I had a training call with an impromptu training call with my solar business as a solar consultant, brainstorming ideas. Then I went to the office and got things set up, got some information, attended a recorded training on how to use the call center platform that they're going to have me work on. Then I went to the gym. Then I did the Remote Wellness Academy Module 4 training number 2. And then finally I made a video for Jane, who is a virtual assistant in the Philippines. I'm rehiring her to help me with my solar business, and I made a video basically proposing and getting that all set up and getting her back. And hopefully we make this, well, we are committed to making this better. So that was my day. It was a very busy day on Friday, and I look forward to meeting with you tomorrow. If you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you again soon. Thanks.